The exhibition this year has been very important to us, considering the large investment we have. Actually, we are completing here in Germany. You know, the new warehouse in Leipzig is a large investment which will allow us to serve the market in 24 hours. In this fair, we had the chance to meet a lot of our potential new customers in Germany and in Scandinavia and Benelux. It has been a great show. Our team is very focused on the innovation, new products, service, and many new sectors. So with the new investment in Poland and in Leipzig, we believe that now we are ready to create new values for the market in Germany and North Europe.
We have new products what we show, and I'm very impressed that in fact many very interesting customers were coming, international customers. Our increased service, consistent quality what we like to show here, and with the new warehouse what we show here in the back, okay, not to see from here. I think that's a start in a new generation of K-Flex in Germany, and yeah, let's see what the future will bring.
This exhibition, this new version of IEX, I think that the booth is probably the best that we had in the past. I like it very much, and I like the style, and also I like the catering. We have the best coffee in the exhibition for sure.
Our new stand is very nice. We can invite our customer, our portfolio of the product. We can say that we have new product like Titan or another Eco Black. We are happy that we can show to our customer this. I hope we can, with this exhibition, we can show our strength of the group, our new plant in Poland with the 45,000 square meter.
In future, for the planners, it will be very easy to select Carflex products, to have the installation considered within the calculation results, and so that heat losses will be reduced in future by products of Carflex.
I saw many products, many cladding, many things to know, to learn, and I saw the very strong team that Carflex have in all Europe.
We have a meeting with our K-Flex guys from Poland, from Spain, from France, from Germany. For me, it's a very great experience.
I think we have the good opportunity to continue to grow with a new product like Titan, or with the K-Box, or all the other products, which are really the great facilities. It's an excellent environment for us to work with the group.